Alright guys, in this step of the Instagram growth sprint, we're gonna learn how to make animated posts. When one of the videos of the sprint, by the way, you can always check them in the description box, all the videos, and if I believe this is already the video number 13, I said that animated type of post, that you have some animation format that is automatically converted by Instagram as a video type of content, performs much better in terms of views. We will learn how to do it, and plus it's kind of fun to not just have boring static images but animate your images. And we're gonna do it with two different programs. The first one is Canva desktop version, and the second one is it's an app called Place. Unfortunately, I'm not 100% sure that this app exists on Android, but I'm pretty sure there is something similar. All right, so let me show you how to do that, and we will try to create something like this. We are going to find the app Place. All right, while it's loading. So here you have different formats for stories, for the horizontal type of the image. We're gonna use that one. The first thing that I want to use is writing the text. Just press and hold and replace your text with something else. We're just gonna write with maybe big letters: sale, 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 and sale. All right, done. The next thing with this wave below, you can choose different things to enhance your animation. There's really a lot of things to enhance it, but I'm not gonna do this. I'll choose first the font. This is fine. And I don't want these waves. I'm just gonna remove it. Just was showing how it works. And so let's enhance it with the frame. And the next thing that I want to do is just change the color of it. So here you can replace the background with the image. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to change the color over here first of all. So let's make something like this. All right. And now we want to animate the text as well. So maybe just let's choose something that is going to be cool with this style. And there's really a lot of things that you can do. You can also change the color of the lines, and here we go. I think I'm happy with the result. All right, so once you're happy with the result, you can just go ahead and save it. Okay, so just click on this arrow button and go ahead and save it, and you can place it onto your Instagram, and it's gonna be as animated type of the content. The other example that I want to show you is with Canva, my beloved Canva. I'll not stop repeating it that I truly love Canva. And for Canva, well, the first thing that we are gonna do is we're gonna go to Canva, go ahead and click create Instagram post, and let's make something nice with the text as well. I don't know, let's make something like this. All right, so here you can animate all of these designs. You can make fade, you can make tumble, you can make rise and pan, and you can also choose the timing, maybe more delayed timing and stuff like this. And it's kind of pretty easy. You can make the post yourself or take the ready to post templates on Canva and animate. Just click on animate and save it as a video, as MP4 video format, and publish it onto your Instagram. All right, guys, that was two tutorials how to make animated type of post on Instagram using two different apps, and I hope this video was useful for you, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow in the next video.